Every fleet manager knows the big stuff isn't what kills your profits. It's the little things, the 15 minutes of idling here, a missed inspection there. Each one seems small, until you add them up. What if there was a way to find and stop those leaks before they drain your bottom line? Let's talk about how modern fleet vehicle software is doing exactly that. In the world of fleet management, losses don't happen in one big event. They happen slowly, in 1,000 invisible ways every single day. Add up all the wasted fuel, poor routes, risky driving, and missed maintenance. And suddenly, thousands of dollars are gone every month. That's why today's top fleet managers are turning to one powerful solution: fleet vehicle software. It connects every driver, vehicle, and route into one smart, data-driven system. Think of it like giving your fleet a brain. Let's start with the foundation: GPS fleet tracking. A small telematics device inside each vehicle becomes its voice, sending real-time data on location, speed, fuel use, and even engine health. It's how managers catch hidden problems, like excessive idling or aggressive driving, before they become expensive ones. GPS shows you where problems happen. Dash cameras show you why. Today's AI-powered dash cams detect distracted driving, drowsiness, or unsafe habits in real time, and even alert the driver before something bad happens. Next, let's talk routes, because not all miles are created equal. The software's sophisticated algorithm considers the best route to take in order to complete your jobs as efficiently as possible. Remember those carbon copy inspection forms? Torn, unreadable, forgotten in the cab? Digital vehicle inspection reports changed that completely. Now, drivers report issues straight from their phone, even snapping a photo, and your maintenance team gets it instantly. But here's where the real magic happens: when all these systems work together. GPS scorecards indicate that a driver has a high number of hard braking events. Dash camera footage indicates that the driver is using their cell phone before the hard braking events. Routing software can be used to reduce the likelihood that drivers are looking up addresses on their phone while driving. A DVIR report shows that the vehicle's brake pads need to be replaced. The result: fewer accidents, lower insurance premiums, less fuel waste. Your fleet becomes safer, faster, and more profitable. The question isn't, can you afford it? It's, can you afford not to? If you're ready to stop the leaks and see what your fleet is truly capable of, it's time to take the next step. Take a virtual tour today, and we'll help you uncover your hidden costs and transform your fleet's future.